It's always been a dream of mine to bring my renders to reality. After all, it is just me in front of a computer screen where I can create anything that I want to. But now, that dream is the reality. Concepts I create can turn into real life, and for that, I feel truly grateful. The RX7 is my first car. It's my dream car. It was just a no-brainer to start making parts for my own car. It just seemed like a natural step. So the first part I've created for my RX7, and it's something that I use on pretty much most of my renders, is a rear louvre. You know, I've made so many friends through owning this car. Just through people helping me, you know, and teaching me on how to maintain it, how these things work. Best things about these cars, and I think RX7s in particular, is the community behind it.